Kom her. Bare kom her. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia, and for today's video I'm going to tell you 21 facts about me. Oh yeah. And if we have something in common, please comment down below. And yeah, let's start the video now. It's not more puff, it's puff now. My favorite color is light blue. My favorite number is 5. I put my parents before everything and everyone. Yeah. I love makeup, as you can see. But I also love edit video, picture. Yeah. I'm a negative person, but I'm trying to change. Smile all the time, even if I'm sad inside, but yeah, smile all the time. Fake smile. Favorite place to cry is a room where no one can see me. City is Toronto since I was 5 years old. Yeah, 5 years old. Me and my best friend have the same blood group. Oh yeah. Me wow, what is that? And I'm not skinny at all. Nah. I love my chocolate. Love my chocolate. Big, huge fan of unicorns, even if they're not a 6, but I don't care. They're 6 for me. Yeah. I love Harry Potter. All the 7 books, all the 7 movies. Yeah. I'm a Harry Potter huge fan. I wish I could have any magic power. I wish. I have a younger brother that is taller than me. Cool. Yeah. Eat only chicken as a meat from January, but I'm trying to remove the chicken too from my routine, but it's quite hard. For all my video on my YouTube channel with my lovely camera. Its name is Baby and it's 9 years old. Hi baby. I'm a crazy person. Yeah, crazy. And I'm proud. Yeah, I mean, I don't care. I'm just proud. I love cooking and eat. Yeah. Cooking and eat. Yeah. I love swimming as well. I did a lot of stupid and no sense things during my life, but yeah, I mean, I think it's normal, right? And probably this video is gonna be one of these. Yeah. Cool. It's the end of this video, guys. Please remember to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe. It's the end of this video, guys. I hope you like it. If yes, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave the name here. And also for the lazy person, don't worry, I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. And see you in the next one. Bye!